Dive into the world of Brazilian cuisine with the delicious Mandioca Frita, a popular snack found throughout Brazil. This dish features mandioca, also known as cassava or yuca, which is a staple root vegetable in many tropical countries. The key to perfect Mandioca Frita lies in its preparation and cooking process, which we will explore in this detailed guide. Start by selecting fresh mandioca, looking for roots that are firm and free from blemishes or soft spots. The first step is peeling the mandioca, which can be a bit challenging due to its thick skin. Use a sharp knife to carefully remove the outer layer and reveal the white flesh inside. Cut the mandioca into pieces, typically about 3 to 4 inches long, and then slice these pieces in half lengthwise to ensure they cook evenly. Before frying, the mandioca must be boiled to soften. Place the pieces in a large pot of salted water and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer until the mandioca is tender but still firm, which usually takes about 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it removes any potential bitterness and prepares the mandioca for frying. Once boiled, drain the mandioca and let it dry on a paper towel, removing as much moisture as possible. This ensures that when you fry the mandioca, it becomes crispy on the outside without absorbing too much oil. Heat a deep frying pan or a deep fryer with a generous amount of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the mandioca pieces and fry them until they are golden brown and crispy, turning them occasionally to ensure even cooking. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the mandioca frita from the oil and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. Season with salt while still hot, and if you like, sprinkle with chopped parsley or garlic for extra flavor. Mandioca frita can be served as a savory snack or a side dish, often accompanied by a cold beer or a tangy dipping sauce, such as a cilantro or garlic aioli, enhancing its flavors. Enjoy the crunchy goodness of mandioca frita and bring a taste of Brazil to your table. This simple yet delicious dish showcases the versatility of mandioca and is a testament to the rich culinary traditions of Brazil.